All right, guys, let's pull this old filter and compare it to the new one real quickly. You probably see some of the debris in there, maybe. A little bit. Not the best. Let's cut this one open. K&N air filter. K&N air filter. K&N fuel filter. On Amazon. The link is in the description. Yeah, this is in. It's labeled in. Out. So should have way better protection than this, because this is poo cheese. All right, I'm still getting debris into the carbs. It's killing ride time. So let's grab our tool real quick. I'll throw a link to a similar tool like this one. I got this one at Harbor Freight. If you don't want to go to Harbor Freight, or if there's not one that's close to you. Oh, listen, this is it's a big hole. Okay, so that's what she said. All right. Where's the sleeve at? Sleeve is just slightly too big for it. We'll leave it off for now. But you guys see it, it's just slightly a little too big. This hole down here is a little too big, so you won't just be able to pressure fit it. You won't be able to pressure fit it. You will need to use your tool and lock that on it so the fuel doesn't spew out. Or go to reducing hose, which is more money. I'm not doing that. So we got it right there. Yeah. It's a little loose. We'll see how it works. We'll see how both sides of this hose is. We might get a hose. We're gonna keep this just in case. And now we're gonna put that on just to it'll keep from bouncing around. I'd rather have it on here, just keep from kind of bouncing around too much. It is glass. It's not, I don't think it's cheap glass by no means, but it's aluminum everywhere. It should be fairly easy to get off. And worst comes to worst, we can get, oh, hold on, wait a minute. These came with the pack of orders on Amazon. It was like a 3, the recommended things. So, yeah. I'll use this instead. It's hard, but yeah, you can still slide it out. I don't like that. As far as colors say, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Notice, manufacturers, they don't put the charge in the case with the phone to pay $1,800. I don't like that. Shout out to Flossy Card. I am a fan. Alright, so we'll turn it this way, and it's already tighter. Just going around, just being open the way it is. So make sure we put this the right way in. Ooh. So tighten it down. Pressure. It's pressure. Almost stubby yet. I'll throw a link in the description for this one as well. So we got this. I'm gonna tighten it down. We most definitely. And I was gonna cancel that order because it came a little later. You probably can do this with a. It's probably 8mm. It's probably easy to do it that way. We can really get some leverage on it. Make sure it's tight. So we gonna work with the. Okay, now you okay. You gotta get it going. Once you get it going, it'll. There we go. Alright, we're gonna slide this back on here. The rubber boot, and then we'll put one on the other end for the fuel tank. So once you get it started, then it'll kind of go. And this is metal to metal, so it shouldn't be too bad. What's gonna work is I'll get some foam or something to put around here. But that's good for now. Once we get the carbs clean, fuel tank back on, everything connected, then we can go ahead and run a few cycles and check it. In fact, I might just take the sleeve back off just since I'm not gonna ride it, just to see how much debris gets collected in here. And then, boom, you can see how well this does compared to this one, which is trash. Poochies, dookie butter, fecal flakes. All right, so that's it.